Hello guys, for today's video ngayon magsosolo na naman tayo sa RG. Kung sino gusto sumama sa akin Tera follow niyo ko nasa bio IGN ko para makontent ko kayo. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe at follow sa YouTube channel ko at sa TikTok ko idol baka naman. Kahit di pa ako gaano sikat, balang araw sisikat din tayo. Katulad ng ibang sikat na content creator. Dito nag-jungler na agad ako. Dito binan ko si Onggoy kasi alam nyo naman mete ngayon si Sun lalo na masakit siya sa early. Dito nagpa last pick ako kasi di ko ma-counter kalaban.
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Light will fall. Pain is the proof that I'm
Dito may
still
sinabi si
alive.
S3 kasi dalawa daw XP namin.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Please pick a hero.
俺一人で
Always on the way.
I am he, and always will.
I do. It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Shout out pala sa mga nakakampi ko.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds.
Dito 1 minute palang ginugulo na kami. Buti maganda rotation namin dito at napitas ko si Cho. Dito nakuha ko yung first turtle. Habang naglalakad ako nakitang nagpatayan na yung dalawa. Ay agad ko naman tinulungan. At kinuha ko na din blue buff nila para lamang tayo. Another gulo na naman si Cho. Kaya tinumbuhan ko na lang pero ako yung nabigyan.
I go bananas when I'm in that mode. Lately been feeling like a junkie for a pump, beat it up like a drummer. You know that I'm nasty, you know that I want it. Struck out your zone, but I'm on one. If you screaming my name and say daddy.
Dito napitas ko si Cho at nakuha ko pa yung turtle.
I wanna be everybody on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, get your back to your friendly when you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna see you burning on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, get your back to your friendly when you ride. Like a rodeo, like a rodeo, baby.
He loves how I ride it. Hop on a dick, I made him get excited. This pussy off limits for lame niggas. You fuck me like you got some pain in it. Can't go back and forth on no groupie hoes. But these bitches love how you do me though. Had to tell her that dick off limits. I hop on it at night, I'm a menace. Yeah, he get the stroking. Oh, how I love when he choke me. Bitch, I'm a boss, I do what I want.
Dito tinapos ko na baka ma-epic comeback pa sila. Sa nanonood ng video ko sorry kung sinayang ko oras mo sana suportahan nyo pa din ako maraming salamat.
He decide I be going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he asked me out like snow day. Eliante is a cold case. Right on that dick like road rage.